On our latest episode of Your Edge, we focus in on the tips and tricks of getting that perfect plunge grind on your knife. But it's not all about the obvious that you see here, which is the waterfall platen, but we also go into depth talking about the order of operations and the things you need to do to prep your blade before we even get to the waterfall platen. This isn't just about the waterfall platen. Throughout the video, I throw in a ton of different grinding tricks. If you're like me, you may initially not really be a big fan of the waterfall platen and the radius style plunges it creates. Or perhaps you just don't feel comfortable using one because it is spinning back towards you and it seems kind of unsafe. But I promise you, if you follow the steps that I list in this video, not only is it safe, but you'll get perfect plunges every time. Not only are you going to learn a ton in this video, but if you're interested in finishing out the knife that I ground on in this demonstration, all you gotta do is watch the main video and comment, "I want that blade." What do you have to lose? So if you want to up your grinder game, just click the link in the description below and head on over to the full video.